I'm Coulter.
I'm Trent.
And we are co-founders of Sunday. We created Sunday to create a better future for the American backyard. So Sunday products are incredibly easy to use and so effective, making really great looking lawns for our customers. But there's more to it than that.
We're proud to say our fertilizers are made with ingredients you'll recognize, like seaweed, nitrogen, molasses, and soy protein. These ingredients will help you grow a resilient green lawn that comes back stronger every year.
So Sunday offers weed control products for those weeds that do pop through. The first product there is Weed Warrior, which is an organic weed control that is incredibly effective. It kills weeds in as little as 20 minutes. Now it's very effective even on grass, so you don't want to use it on your lawn. It's perfect for sidewalks, driveways, garden beds, and things like that. The other weed control product that Sunday offers is called Dandelion Doom. This product's really effective on broadleaf weeds in your lawn and won't harm the grass. So things like dandelion and thistle, it'll kill them in less than 24 hours.
For feeding and thickening your existing lawn, we have a product called Seed and Feed. It's packed with nutrients, grass seed, soil conditioner, and essential micronutrients to help you feed your lawn.
For those frustrating bare spots in your lawn, we have a product called Bare Repair. Now, Bare Repair contains grass seed, nutrients, and paper mulch. The paper mulch is there to hold the water on the seeds to assure they germinate. To help control those unwanted pests outside your home, we have a product called Mosquito Deleto. Now, this is an easy hose-on application that contains cedar oil and lemongrass oil. It smells amazing. So the best part about Mosquito Deleto is that it's safe for kids and pets, because what good is a great-looking yard if you can't get out there and use it?
Visit our blog, The Shed, for everything from beginner guides to regional tips. Let's get started.